So today I'll be showing you about the window, how to mask it the proper way. So what you want to do first, take this rag or any kind of rags you have, go here, wipe it really good, the edges. Then you take hand masker. It's really nice to have this tool because it has tape already on it and plastic, and you don't have to mess with it. All you have to do is go like this, put it right there at the edge, leave just a tiny bit room, and rip right like that, and put this back. Press it pretty hard, then pull it down. Just like that. So you take tape, rip a piece. It's kind of windy, but we'll get it to work. Put one piece of tape right here. Make sure it's tight. And one on this side. So you get that, you go over here, put tape right here, grab it, just like that. Rip this piece. Same thing on this side. You start with the bottom. And you go like this. Pick it up. This way. It's done. Then you take this plastic, wrap it inside, make a straight line, fix this piece, and it's done, just like that. And then when you spray the house, once you're done spraying, you can peel it off, or if you have trim around it, wait till the body dries, paint the trim, and then take it off. That way you don't have to tape it twice when you're doing the trim. So to peel it off, it's pretty easy. You can start from the bottom. And what's nice to have blue tape, you can leave it for a few days, it'll be fine to take it off. If you use white yellow tape, it won't be as good to take it off. It's good to use white tape only for like a day, but if you're leaving it for a few days, I'll use blue tape. So that's how you do, and it's done.